Hey, what's up guys? Lightning Eagle 14 here, soaring back into your everyday life with another video. In this video we're going to be talking about my blowgun back holster, so let's get right on into it. So why did I want a back holster for the blowgun? Well, main reason being that I wanted a long range option to match or go with a short range or medium range primary. Because blowguns, they have a very slow rate of fire, but they have pretty good range. So they're good as sort of a backup or a secondary option, but generally not as good as a primary blaster or weapon. So that's really the reason why I wanted a holster for it. I wanted something that would allow me to carry the blowgun so that I could use it for longer range tags and that sort of thing. So the problem with blowguns, or the reason that I had to carry it on my back, is that they're just so ridiculously long, and that makes them hard to holster. You can't put them in a thigh holster like a pistol or something, or in a chest rig like a magazine, or really anything of that nature. There really only is one way to carry a blowgun, and that is on your back or in a sling if it's a smaller one. So that's enough overview or sort of information on why I built it. Let's get into sort of an explanation of how I built it and how you can build your own. So what I have here is two pieces of cardboard, very sturdy, thick cardboard that's high quality, and then I have a long piece of PVC. I want to say this is 3/4 inch PVC, but I could be wrong. And then I just have it zip tied through the cardboard, as you can see there, with the stitches. And then what I also did to make the straps, I just cut slits in 4 corners of it, and then put 2 of my old belts through it, which is a common method for me of carrying things. And then to make it so that the blowgun doesn't fall out, I simply put 3 zip ties in place here. And then I also added this, I believe it's a yogurt lid or something of that nature. Just a plastic lid, and that just stops it from sliding out. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. It's very simple. I don't even need a full tutorial for this. It's that simple to build. Overall, I had a lot of fun building this project. It was an interesting design challenge because I've struggled with the problem of carrying long objects like staffs and blowguns and that sort of nature on my back for years, but I'm glad I finally figured out a solution, and I'm glad it works so well. It's very easy to just draw it and then load a dart and shoot, and then replacing it is just as easy, and it works all very smoothly. It only has one weakness really, and that is doorways. It's very hard to get this thing through normal doorways. But if I'm playing outside, like in a park or something, that doesn't really matter, so I don't really care too much about that. But overall, I think that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed, or at least thought it was interesting. I think that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. It really would help me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. I read all the comments, so if you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, please leave those in the comment section down below. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.